Rise and shine, gamers. Today, we build in trap bases. What's up, man?
Come on, man. I just need free loot, man. I just spawned.
The trap base we are making today is simple, easy, and requires no turrets or electricity. The perfect solution for mining salt early game. To start, you will need your half walls, now add your floor, next we will be adding a wall frame and walls surrounding base. For this part, we will take out half walls again, then a low wall for the top, now go ahead and throw down your cupboard. Now delete this and add a window, and then delete this and add a window. Next, add your double doors. Make sure that they face outwards when they open, like so. Now we can start on our sniper platform. There's a few ways you can go about doing this. You could add ladders, you could add stairs, or you could add a ladder hatch. In this case, I would probably add stairs here. For the top of the sniper nest, you want to add more half walls. As you can see, it can be difficult to add half walls up here, so to make it simple, I will add a ceiling. As you can see, the sniper nest platform is blocking the door here, so we will add a ramp. Now we do this so people cannot simply run into your trap base. And then once you're advanced enough to add shotgun traps, this becomes really OP. Now what's next is just adding an entrance and then finishing up the walls on the outside. Now that your trap base is built, we will add the bait. Start by adding 2 shells. Add the cargo boxes on the top and the center. ones on the bottom add slightly to the right. Add a locker to the side here. This just kind of prevents them from seeing this opening right away. Add your furnace. Make sure that it's close enough that it prevents you from running in. So it forces them to jump and make noise. And also, when they're looting, when you're shooting them, their first instinct is to just run. So this prevents them from running out, and it's right in front of a sniper hole. The final touch is just adding your good loot, which is going to be in the small storage containers. You want to make sure that they cannot loot the back container from right here. You want to make sure that they have to jump up and then loot it, because then it puts them right in the opening of all your snipers. Now, as you can see, I've added a deck to my trap base. This makes it look more welcoming and newbie. I've even added a fire pit and made sure that it's on so somebody knows that this is active. You will also notice that I've added a front door. Make sure you do not add a lock so people feel comfortable running right in. Now make your airlock. This makes it so when this door opens, your subject cannot run out. A few hints to make your trap base more successful is to add some corner shotgun traps, like so. This makes it when you open the door that these shotgun traps will aim at whoever is standing right here trying to get out. You can also add them just as safety for when you open this door. You can add shutters to your windows as long as they're on the inside, makes it a little bit more private. Also be sure to add your sleeping bag to your tool cupboard room. Another hint is you want to build in high traffic areas. Anywhere that a monument will do you good, but launch sites and airfield are going to be your priority ones. You want to build right off the road, and in this intersection here, this will be a great spot. Another hint is you can add a ramp to make your aiming a little bit more easy. Now, all you have to do is sit here and listen. When you think you hear somebody enter, or you see them, run over, open the door, which traps them, and then just light them up. And that's it. That is my simple early game trap base. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and... Oh. Yeah.